Here I am, number 2. Let's see. Oh, I can see it's right on the top. Let's have a look. Okay, we've got some beautiful lace today. All right, let's grab my journal. Here it is. Here's yesterday's page. And let's do a page for number 2. So, inspired by the lace, which is very pretty, I found Tim Holt's paper doll, all dressed up warm. I typed out the letters, ready for that cup of tea, and I just went in, kind of made me think of sort of snow and cold, crisp days. So I've just gone and I've picked some fabrics and some papers out, and I found this kind of wintry scene here. So I think we're going to go for a little collage of some kind. So I'm going to grab my glue stick today and we'll start just gluing stuff down. I think I'm going to go for that little image, that wintry image along the corner. And then just see how we go with some of this. This is purple glue, but it'll dry clear, so you won't see that purple peeking through. Let's see, I've got some of this kind of icy blue scrapbook paper. And then I got some of these lovely fabrics, very wintry fabrics. I love this one. It's like I have only got a limited amount of it, but so I do hoard this stuff, but I do love it. I am thinking I want some of the grey as well. I'm just kind of auditioning things about at the moment. Let's see. I think the words would be quite nice on that blue. And then we've got the lace, which can go along the edge, either edge. Oh, I don't know whether I like it there or on the other edge. I think maybe the long edge. Oops. Oh, throw my scissors around now. Yeah, mind. It's not to say, I mean, this is number 2 and I'm using it in this page, but it's not to say I can't use it again later on during December. I'll keep it in my little basket and it may make another appearance, or it was very likely make another appearance. Let's see. I've just switched to some slightly stronger craft glue for my fabric here. Lovely. Let's grab a little bit of gesso to keep it very nice and light and white, this page today. So I think I'm just going to put a little bit on my fingers and just blend some of that together. I like the loose threads, so kind of stick them down as I go with the gesso. Put a bit on the little path. Looks like snow. I think I have gone a little bit heavy on that particular piece of fabric. I've lost some of that, so I'm gonna just grab a little bit of water on a brush and just push some of that gesso, thin it out a little. So you can see that design coming through. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but I can see some of that now. Back again. Let's just give this a little dry. Okay, it's quite a nice little simple page. It's not taking me long. I'm not taking too long over these. I want to just kind of have that 5 minutes of creativity with my advent calendar throughout December. You don't have to spend ages on these. Just have a little play. Somehow incorporate in what I got for the day. So here we go. Here she's on a cold day, ready for a cup of tea. Lovely. Right, thanks so much. I'll see you tomorrow.